Okay, we're down here on the John Lynch Bridge, which is used to be 29 business. It's now State Route 163. We're looking kind of like northbound, geographically northbound, but it's westbound railroad. CSX line. They got plenty of cars in that transfer yard. Only thing is they're using the shoulder here as a travel lane. They got the bridge. They're working on the bridge. And here's the bridge joint between the two sides of the bridge. Look at that. This is how they did the bridge. I'm trying to remember when this bridge was done in the 1980s, I think. Late 80s or early 90s. There used to be a concrete divider here. The concrete divider ends right there. They're going to do this end first, I guess. And my guess is these holes, they drilled some new holes in here. And this is the old concrete divider they had here. There's supposed to be a train coming down, according to the defect detector. It does not give me directionality on CSX. I can't go all the way over, but they're doing some kind of tunnel work down over here. It's part of the new CSO work. So I'm guessing they're working tonight. But we're looking at the traffic here. The reason I'm doubting that a train is coming in is I'm looking down toward the track. See the two red lights? Yeah. So it can't be a train coming down if the lights are red. If a train was coming down, the lights would be green. At least one of them would. So this looks like a bust. I don't think they're going to let me get close over there. They're going deep underground and building some kind of underground storage tunnel for the combined sewer overflow project. They got plenty of rail cars in the transfer yard. I don't know if you can see it from here. Probably see it better in the daytime. Can't get down here during the daytime. I see I see a lot of cars, but other than that, anyhow, since the lights down there at the crossing are red, it goes all the way up to that light up there, the lane closure. And since the light is red, I don't think there's going to be a train coming down. It must have been a train going up. Because most of the trains, I mean, the CSX is usually eastbound or south, or Yeah, it's usually eastbound. So, I think that'll be it for CSX. We struck out on that one.